Now we've got Sensei and Sensei modules installed, and we're going on to create some educational content. So for this stage, and whenever we're creating content, make sure you're logged in with your name so that your name appears as the author, not admin. And this will help to build your profile on the web. Now in the menu on the left, click on Lessons, and then All Courses, and then Add New. Add a title for your course. I'm going to be building this actual course as I'm making it. And enter a description in the main content area. Make sure you are the author. If you want to, you can put in an introductory video in the course video section. I can't do this yet as I haven't made the introductory video yet. That'll be the very last one that I make. So far there are no lessons. We'll feature this course and click Publish. Now we'll add some modules. Click on Modules. Here's the first one. You have to select the course it belongs to by typing in part of the name of the course instead of selecting it from a pull-down list, which is a bit unusual. And click Add New Module. I'll add the titles of all my chapters now. If I want to make any changes as I go along, it's easy to do so. Now we'll go to Lessons, Add New. And we'll add the lesson I made earlier, Clean Installation of WordPress. You need to host your videos on Vimeo. You cannot just put them on normal hosting package because the bandwidth used would be too much. If you have a Vimeo Pro account, as I do, you can set your videos to private and embeddable only on your domains, on domains that you choose, so that they're available only as and where you want them to be, and you can charge for access to them if you want. So I've uploaded that video to Vimeo already, and I get the embed code by clicking on the Settings overlay, and then on Embed, and then on Get Embed Code. Copy that, and then paste that into the lesson. Surround the iframe in a div with the class name Lesson Video, with a hyphen, lesson-video. We'll use this for styling later so that we can make the video size responsive to different screen sizes. We're not going to have a quiz, I'm not going to use tags, and I don't want to have a prerequisite lesson. We need to select the course that this lesson belongs to. And then click Publish. Only once we've done that do the modules for that course become available, and we select the appropriate module, which is Chapter 1 Preliminaries, and click Update. Now we can go back to All Courses and click on View, and there we are. We've got a button to start taking the course, our chapter titles, and the one lesson I've just made in Chapter 1. Now, without videoing all the same steps again, I'll add the other lessons I've made so that we've got several of them. That's done. Now we've got various lessons and modules that we can use as examples. We can reorder modules very easily. Go to Order Modules, select a course, and there's a nice drag and drop interface where you can reorder any modules which are wrongly ordered. They're all in the right order at the moment, but I'll make a change just so that we can see this in action. And click Save Module Order. Refresh the page in the test browser and chapters 1 and 2 are switched around. I'll put them back where they belong. In earlier versions of Sensei, reordering lessons wasn't quite so easy. But since version 1.6.0, the procedure is exactly the same for lessons as it is for modules. You go to Order Lessons, select a course, and you can see the lessons in position in their respective modules. And drag and drop to make a change in the order. Save that, and refresh the page in the test browser to see that it works. And then put the lessons back to the correct order. You can't move the lessons from one module to another here. You can only move the order of them inside the modules that they're already assigned to. At the moment, we only have one course, so there's nothing to reorder there. But once you have more than one course, you can go to Order Courses, and there's an identical drag and drop interface to change the order of the courses. So that's all very convenient. We've created a course, modules, and some lessons, and we've seen how to organize the contents of a course. In the next lesson, we'll look at Sensei settings.